Okay, so I didn't prepare anything formally in my thank you. I just want to speak from the heart. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your openness to come to the workshop and explore these different aspects of solar colonialism. I hope that it was from a position of inquiry that you were able to um, use the workshop and that as you go away, that there's lots of things for you to think about. And thank you so much. And I welcome any feedback. I welcome all forms of communication. And my email is in the working document. So please feel free to reach out. And last but not least, I'd like to thank Dr. Burnham and Dr. Robinson for allowing me to use the poem and use their intervention in my workshop. I also would like to thank uh, Lindsay Brandt as well for allowing us to um, access her recording for Indigenous ways of teaching and learning. I really strongly encourage you to go to that YouTube channel, Center for Teaching and Learning, Queen's University. There's other um, presentations by Lindsay. I also want to thank my friends and my family for the last year. They've been sort of enduring this with me as I speak about my ideas. And, anyways, I hope to see all you as participants in other workshops as well. So take care.